doing? It's the Don't Press the Wrong Button challenge. I'm amazing at this game. They call me the Button Whisperer. There are 3 right buttons. And 1 wrong button. If you press the wrong button, you have to do a forfeit. Winner gets a toy. Your forfeit is to pretend you're a chicken. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. I'm definitely going to win this time. Oh, really? Your second forfeit is to pretend you're an elephant. I don't understand. I'm the Button Whisperer. Something's not right. Ready for the next game, Olivia? I guess. Malice is using magic to cheat. Ready, Malice? Yes. Only 2 buttons left, Malice. Nervous? No. Your forfeit is to pretend you're a princess.
Huh? Where is everything? My tiara! But who would want to steal all my stuff? Malice. I caught you red-handed.
What is it this time, Olivia?
I know you've been stealing my stuff, so give it back to me.
Fine.
And the rest of it?
Rest of what? I wouldn't decorate my tower with any of your stuff.
But if it wasn't you, then who could it be?
Don't know. Don't care. Where's my... Timothy, have you seen that? This is an outrage. That painting could have been worth zoozillions.
Yeah, zoozillions.
There's only one solution for this.
I love costume parties, but how is that going to help?
Not a costume party. Detective princesses. 20 minutes ago. Did you steal all our stuff? Is Mr. Snuggles even your real name? He's impossible to crack. I give up.
Malice, I think we need to go at this from a different direction. Let's see if Liliana's got any ideas. Liliana? Someone's been stealing our stuff.
Yeah. Can you invent a thief catcher machine or something?
Liliana? Liliana? You've been stealing our stuff?
Oh, sorry. But I really needed the parts for my machine. Bye. Pretty cool, huh? This is Esme's room. But where's Esme? Ah, follow me.
Oh,
Hey, Grape? How did we guess you'd be here?
Today was Grape Inspection Day. I was just making sure all our grapes were tip-top.
Sure you were, Esme. Come on, Olivia, let's go.
Make sure you clean all your grapes.
This is so fun, Liliana. Where are we going to next? Liliana? What's wrong? Something's wrong with the controls. I can't control the destination anymore. Uh-oh, that means we could end up anywhere. Yep, even Malice's tower! Oh, hello, what marvellous timing. How so? You're just in time for me to test my new slime gun. I need a target. Hold still. Huh? Phew. Liliana, let's go! Oh, we can't. The remote's broken. Give it here. Ah, Liliana, you had it on Get Trapped by Malice mode. Oh. Oops. Why did you even build that into the remote? Less questions, more escaping. Come on, let's escape the rain once and for all. Ha-ha! This is more like it. Not a drop of rain in sight, nor a drop of malice in sight.
Good afternoon. Grape Inspector. Hand them over, please.
That was close. It was, wasn't it? Malice, you said you wouldn't tell anyone. Did I? Oops, my mistake. I never should have trusted you, Malice. Too right. This was so funny.
What's that?
Oh, it stinks.
Is that Isabella?
It is Isabella. Paint.
No. What do you mean, no?
Paint.
What are you painting? Well, trying to paint.
The most beautiful thing in the world. But look.
I was going to prank you, but it looks like someone beat me to it. Try and loosen up. Watch. Hey, I'm trying here.
This is actually helping.
Okay, you can stop now.
Wow, this is great. Paints. They're the most beautiful thing in the world.